then, this is hopefully the final video on the Audi TT. Let's have a look to see where we are with it. Okay, so new grille, new fog lights surround. We are just about to pull the bonnet out of the van and see what the colour is going to be like against the wings and the front bumper. We have got a first coat on the calipers ready to be repainted, and then we will be fitting the rear bumper, and then hopefully, now that the exhaust tips have been painted, as you can see, we have got a boot full to get finished. So there we are. Let's get this done, and then we can move on to the next project, which is hiding round the corner. So don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe, and that will enable us to keep bringing you more videos of smashed up cars that we've rebuilt. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's get this done. Right, so first things first, it is the parking sensors, which are aftermarket from memory, and the loom from the rear goes into this side, doesn't it, which is numbered A, B, C and D. So yeah, so we've got to get this back through this hole. See, what you've got on here on these aftermarket systems is you've got A, B, C and D, and all this does is it just goes into this box here, into those sections there, and then that just sticks on the inside, just like that. I'm getting attacked by modgies. Alright, that's it, so they just push in. Right, that can go behind there for the minute. Well, at least we know the plugs are there for it. Okay. Right. Well, look at that for a colour match. Not bad, is it? Look at that for a colour match. That's it. Wayne, look at the colour match on that. Oh, it's mega. Look at that. Well happy with that. Right, so and then that I don't want to see it. Have a look at that for a colour match. Look at that. Absolutely made up, because you know full well I wasn't going to let that bumper ruin the party. And just like that, that is the rear bumper on and fitted. Have a look at that, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. What a colour match. Right, let's get the bonnet done. I'm looking at the front end already, and I'm happy with the new grille, the new surround. I'm happy with the colour match. So we'll get that bonnet on. We've got another coat of paint to do on the calipers, and I think this car will really be almost ready for its first test drive. on it. I'll let you get heated still. Cool, what do you reckon? What do you reckon, Wayne?
Fingers crossed.
Do you reckon it's going to look the business? Is the wife going to steal the car from me? She said the 208's too loud for her.
Too loud?
Yeah, 208 GR.
This is loud and all though, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is actually quite loud, isn't it? What do you reckon?
We've got to watch it when it comes down.
Are you ready for this? Do you remember what we had to do before? Are you ready?
Yeah.
She's dry. No way. This is impossible.
Mate, the colour match.
That's unbelievable, that colour match.
It ain't bad, it ain't.
Oh, wait. Wow. Is that the headlight we bought?
Yeah, it had a mark on it.
Look at the colour.
It's alright, isn't it?
That's an amazing colour match. Right, what do you reckon? Do you reckon it will go down or not?
Are you good your side?
Yeah, perfect. No way. Not first time. No way.
That's what we put marks there for.
That headlight's moving. Did we do that up? I can't believe that. It's even gone round the grill. Oh, it's nearly. That is first fit. First fit.
Look at it, Dan. It looks
Oh,
like
it's a completely different car.
Yeah.
It's
When
a
them wheels
completely
are on,
different car.
we've got to lay a wheel up, mate. So I'll go and get a wheel.
No. Oh, I haven't
Just a look.
painted the calipers.
Oh, yeah.
He wants to see it with a wheel on, doesn't he?
Then you? No, not on. I just hold it on. Just to hold it.
Well, I can put it. We could just hold all that
I'll
off.
go get one.
I'll get one. Can you see this, everyone? Can you see what he's doing to me? He wants to put a wheel on it. Just to see. He's that impressed with the colour match and how good it's coming out. The new discs don't look great though, do they? Look, that's what happens to them when you leave them sitting. And then someone says to you, oh, it's rusty. It's not rust, it's just surface rust. Just a bit of what do they call it? Oxidisation, that's it. I'm trying to sound intelligent now. You know you want to stick with that, yeah. Look at that car.
Yeah, once that disc's been round a few
Look
times.
at that. I can't wait to get this car out. Absolutely can't wait to get this car out. Right.
Come back down on this side.
Yeah.
Although that one overran.
Oh, do we need to push back down?
Well, I mean, that's the only way to do it anyway. So you either have a slight bit more overhang. You're only talking like fractions, don't you?
You like them walkie stuff?
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it?
I'm turning that. I'm like, why is it still going round? Is
Oh
that-
yeah. You know why? Because you've got the angle gauge on it as well.
I was like, what's going on?
Yeah, you can angle it and,
Yeah, and lock it out.
out, yeah.
I was like, I swear I'll turn it.
Right, ready?
Considering once it's on its wheels, we might have to make a few little tweaks because the weight of the engine will be supported then.
Yeah.
So the front will come up a little bit. Considering, mate, all things, like...
Well, consider it's had a deer through the front of it. Right, happy days. So let's get the washer jets in, and then we'll get this trim panel inside here. And to be honest, it's over to me then, isn't it?
Yep.
While Wayne goes to the Maldives to ride sharks for the YouTube channel. Things you've got to do, to get views.
If you had a sticker, a channel sticker, I'll stick it on the island, mate.
You're going to stick it on the shark for me? And put Dan was here? They'd probably believe you though, that's the problem.
Just like that.
That one fits.
That one fits, right. So, what screws are we going to put in there?
20 tools. Everything's 20.
Everything's 20 tools.
20 tools.
I'm happy with that. Wow. Better than before. Right, where's the Torx? Just got to sort out that bit now. Because I can't have that. That will do my nutting. Isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, so that's
Yeah, right. And that one's left, isn't it? This has got an R on.
L.
And that's got an L on.
Yeah, we'll go in.
We'll go with it once. Mega. So, is it right? Is it right looking at the engine? Or right?
Oh, I say left as the near side and right.
Okay, well we can still work this out. Do you know why? Because the plug will be facing that way.
Yep.
So when that goes in the bonnet, the plug's going to be this side, so that will be the right over there. Making sense, don't we?
Yeah.
We definitely get a lot of that non-making sense stuff.
Should be
Yeah,
getting to you.
that's it. Anyone would think you've done this before.
I'll get the grommet.
Mega, mega. Okay guys, so that is the Audi TT ready for the refurbished calipers and the alloy wheels. So, can't believe how nice that's come out. Absolutely made up with this. So, final part of the Audi TT. You have seen my wheel nut restoration. We have got the painted calipers, refurbished wheels, brand new tyres. So we will get these fitted and do a final walk around of this car. Guys, and just like that, look at them hands, the Audi TT is finished. We just need to get the number plates on, give it a run, get it down for MOT. Have a look at this, guys. Have a look at that. Refurbished alloys, brand new tyres, painted calipers. Look at that. New front grille, new fog surround. Have a look at that, guys. Rear bumper we wasn't happy with, so we painted that. But have a look at that. Painted the exhaust tips. We have gone to town on this car. The colour match is unbelievable. So guys, that is another one ticked off and finished off, guys, and it will be available very, very soon. Wonder what could be next. What is next in store? What could we have going on? Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It means everything to us and means we can keep doing builds like this one.